Please, don't buy a cement valve bag making machine without watching this video. There are several important factors to consider when choosing a valve bag making machine. If you ignore these, can lead you to significant losses in your cement bag making business. So, in this video, we want to inform you the 8 most important features that you will get only from 5 Fingers Exports in India. Speed is the most important factor everyone considers when choosing a machine, isn't it? More productivity leads to more profit. While other valve bag machines in market offers 30 bags per minute, 5 Fingers Exports offers you the productivity of 40 valve bags per minute, which is more than 33% higher. That's not a small percentage, right? While other machines take 45 minutes to switch between hot cutting and cold cutting, 5 Fingers Exports machine takes less than a minute to switch. This saves a significant amount of time for the operator. 5 Fingers Exports machine uses belt and roller system to pull fabrics into the valve forming part. Other machines' ordinary clipping systems can damage and cause misalignment of fabrics in the further production process. We provide an easy adjustable valve part which can also run gusseted bags. Unlike other machines in market, you can easily adjust the valve dimensions without removing any parts. The operator will save a lot of time when changing the valve dimensions. 5 Fingers Exports machines produce valve bags following the guidance of the Bureau of Indian Standards. This part helps the valve portion gain a proper structure, preparing the bag for the folding and stitching process. This feature reduces wastage caused by reopening the valve during stitching. In contrast to other machines on the market, this machine does not require extra labor for the manual valve pressing process. While other machines uses ordinary stitching machines, we use a Japanese-made new long stitching machine that ensures perfection in every stitch. This stitching machine doesn't get tired, even during a 24-hour shift. This 2-in-1 machine can produce both gusseted and non-gusseted bags according to Bureau of Indian Standards. We are the only manufacturer in India that produces gusseted valve bag machines. After hearing about all these features, you might think, oh, with all these features, the price must be high, right? But no, our machine is priced 40% lower than other machines on the market. After listening about all these features, do you have any one reason to choose other machines? Definitely you don't have any. You may only have some doubts to clear. Don't wait, we are always ready to assist you.